Google just changed voice AI forever after they released Gemini 3. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly why Google's new Gemini 3 model is a fundamental shift in what's possible with voice AI. And as someone who's personally built and deployed over 200 voice AI agents, I can tell you this is one of the most significant leaps I've ever seen. So by the end of this video, you'll understand everything about Gemini 3 that makes this so insanely powerful, how you can start using it today to build your own powerful voice AI agents better than we have ever before, whether it's for your own business or you're just looking to sell these voice AI agents as a service. So let's dive in. Let me paint you a picture. So let's say you're sitting across from a business owner who you think voice AI can really help. Maybe you say, we'll build you a phone call AI that's going to answer your calls 24/7, follow up with your leads, book appointments for you, all that. They'd nod, but you can see it in their eyes that they don't really believe you. Actually, after implementing hundreds of these voice AI agents, I've learned this the hard way, that people don't trust what they can't really feel. So what do you need to do to close that deal? Well, you need to build a branded demo that speaks their language. And you need to show the clear return on investment and how much money they're losing. You basically need to prove this isn't just another tech gimmick. But here's the problem. Building all of that used to take days and weeks. You need to string together multiple tools like Vappy, Twilio, N8N, all this stuff, write custom code, and do a bunch of design work just to create a personalized demo. And by the time you'd have it ready, the prospect would probably move on. That's why most voice AI implementations fail, not because the technology doesn't work, but because the sales process itself is so broken. Until now, what used to take weeks, like building branded demos, ROI calculators, full sales packets, you can now do with literally one prompt with Gemini 3. So Gemini 3 completely flipped the script on what's possible with these voice AI demos. Now it's fast, it's cheap, and it actually works. But to make it more effective, here's the framework I like using, and it's called the DRRO method. First, we demo. We build a branded voice-enabled demo tailored to their industry and their exact company. Two, we want to show them the ROI. So we calculate how much money they're losing without your solution. Three, outreach. We send it to them, let the demo do the selling for you, and use that to book your sales calls. So instead of hoping they get it from a pitch deck or just some messages you send them, you're putting an interactive experience in their hands that shows them exactly what voice AI can do for their business. Now, before I show you how to actually build this step by step, let me walk you through a real business use case so you can see the entire framework and how I'd build the demo from scratch. Because once you see how this applies to a real scenario, the power of what's possible here will click instantly. Okay, so this is a situation where voice AI is super useful, and let me show it to you. So normally, let's say the business is a real estate wholesaler who's looking to buy homes, right? So what they'll do is they'll build a lot of these mailers, and then they'll send it out to a lot of different homes, okay? And when the homeowner sees this, they normally call this number on the screen. But the problem becomes if, let's say it's, 3 a.m., because people do this, and he calls this number at 3 a.m., this guy is never going to answer because it's too late, right? And this happens in other cases where, let's say, two homes call at the same time. So there's a lot of little cases where if you're missing these calls, they're potentially big deals, and that's potentially thousands of dollars lost, right? Because you have to go back into calling them back, etc. Okay, to solve this, what can we do, right? And this is what we've done. It's really simple. It's all you do is when people call, and let's say someone's unavailable, we have a voice AI that answers that calls. It collects the information from the person, it qualifies them, and it schedules an appointment with the wholesaler, which means it's significantly easier to close the deal. Now, let's say you want to approach a real estate wholesaler and sell this exact service, right? Gemini 3 makes this so easy, so let me show you how that's done. All right, to build these demos, what you want to do is go to ai.dev. So that is Google's AI Studio. And it's really great, right? And in here, you want to make sure you're in build and start. And after you're in build and start, you pretty much just speak into existence what you want. So I'll give you the example right now. Hey, I'd like you to build me an interactive presentation where I'm presenting to a realtor called Real Estatey. What I want to show them is that I'm a voice AI agency and I'm pitching my voice AI service to them. I want to say that I know that they are running direct mail, because if they're running direct mail, I know they're not capturing all the calls because they don't have workers 24/7 to answer them. I want to show them in one slide an ROI calculator, and then I want to have my booking link for the meeting. Can you develop me an interactive presentation that I can share to them? I want to be able to make sure I can talk to them, and the voice AI you develop essentially acts like a receptionist that will take in the details of someone who reads the direct mail they receive. They get qualified and then set an appointment. Okay. So this is just a simple prompt. I just, word vomited what I wanted, and I'm going to hit build. Now, after this is done, I'll come out and show you what's happened. Okay, so it just got done, but I also added my calendar booking page. All I did was say this is my booking page, right? And I just went back and forth with it a bit just to make sure some stuff was correct. But right now, you see I'll have this. And if you hit allow, now I have this really cool app, and I can full screen it just so you can see it a bit more. Now, you can send this to the client you're trying to sell even before you get on a call. So you can see why you're reaching out. You say, show me how. You see some math, the math of missed calls when you're sending 5,000 mailers, phone rings, but it rings in dinners on weekend if they go to voicemail, and that's no speed to lead, okay? And then you're basically calculating their stuff. Okay, let's hit next. Now, this is really cool. So you can like start a live demo. This is so your client can literally experience on their screen what it's like talking to an AI. So let's try it out. Hopefully you can hear this. Hello?
Yes, I can hear. Thank you for calling Real Estatey. This is Sarah. Did you receive one of our cash offer letters?
I did, yeah.
Great. Could you tell me the address of the property?
It's 123 Main Street.
123 Main Street. Got it. And is the house in good shape, or would you say it needs a little TLC?
It needs a little bit of work, but it's fine for the most part.
Okay, good to know. Do you have a ballpark figure in mind for the property?
Maybe, I don't know, 200K.
Understood. Ideally, when are you looking to close?
As soon as possible. Okay, whatever. You get the gist. So this is something that they can literally talk to, and then you'll see the AI really nicely built out more stuff like an interactive ROI calculator. If they sent this many mailers, and this is the average profit per deal, and then you can see how much money you can get. And then after all of the stuff, there is, oh, here is my booking link. Now they can just book a time with me and we're good to go. So doing this stuff, building it is so easy because you just saw me do it in one prompt, right? You can be doing this kind of outreach with personalized demos for each client, and it's going to make landing these kind of deals that much easier. But I want to show you when we put this in production, what that looks like. All right, so just to clarify, this package that I just showed you is something that you can essentially send to a prospect to get them on call with you and make selling 10 times easier. And a pro tip is literally record yourself in a Loom video going through these slides just so it's a lot easier and they can see and test it and feel it themselves. All right, this combo is insanely effective. And what you can do is essentially right here, you can just hit deploy app, you select your project, and you can send them a link. All right, by the way, I made a whole course, which is free. If you want to check it out, it's in the link below that teaches you how to sell these and how to build these as well. But I want to show you, once you actually build for a client in production, what does that look like? So let me show you that. All right, so what I just showed you is essentially like a lead magnet that you'd use as a foot in the door to get on a call with them. But once the client signs up and you guys agree to work together, you need somewhere to actually build out and manage these agents. So let me show you an example of an agent we actually have and built in production. This is just an overview of the dashboard, but you can see how inside the agent, we can have all our agents laid out for our client under our own brand. So here you can see all the instructions. And then for example, here, there's a lot of prompts and everything laid out. And if the client would like to see all the stuff, you can display it for them inside these inboxes. So for example, here, there's a score for the lead. You know, the AI is handling all this stuff. You can, this one doesn't have a voice call, but this one does. You can see what's going on here, monitor all the stuff, and then see where the leads are inside the pipeline. You see, it's all automatically done. So this is a couple little ways of how we can actually smoothen out all the edges. You can basically have this, white label it to your own brand, and so your client gets a dashboard like this, and you can also get to choose what they see. So this is my platform. It's booked in AI. You don't have to use this, but this is how we build our voice AI agents in production for our clients and what they use to manage these kind of agents. And why this matters is because without a production system, you're kind of building agents that are scattered everywhere. If you're building it on Google, some stuff, you're building it on Vapi, you're building it on, you need a pipeline. All these things can all be consolidated here with one professional dashboard. This helps us kind of keep a well-running productized service. So what we want to do is use Gemini to build these kind of voice AI demos that work really well right here. And then what we can do is build a production agent with VAPI or Booked-in or anything you like, and then give your clients a professional white label system where you can manage everything from one place. And that's the only way you can really scale as a voice AI agency. But now you know how to build these demos, but the demos don't really make you money. Having many clients using these agents over time does. So watch this video next to see how to actually deploy these agents at scale.